Smiltene is a town in Vidzem region in northern Latvia. In the early stages of Great Northern War, Smiltene was burned down by Russian army.
Calling down my name.
Its original name was Smiltene Sele. The ending probably came from Russian silo village. Later it was called Smiltene in German before adding the Latvian ending and thus become Smiltene. Smiltene is located in northern part of Vidzem Highland on the banks of the river Abola. It belongs to a historic Volk country and a modern Smiltene municipality. I have zero clue if I spell it right. Hope you enjoyed the rest of your video and let me know which city I should do next.
Why don't you hear me wonder? Tell me, river, where your current flows. Why don't you hear me wonder? Stop your freight train, let a lost man ride. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh, fare you well, darling, coming back no more. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh. Who been whispering since I've been gone so long? Freedom calling.